everybody, thanks for joining me today and coming to my channel. Today I have the next Papercraft Society box, just came in the mail, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I think this is the Olga one. Let's see what the number is here. It's got the bubbles everywhere. It is number 32 from Paper Discovery. Yeah. And I'll leave links below, or you can go over to Craftstash, and they do have free shipping. I think the threshold is $80 to the US, but you can sign up for these, or just get them every month, or just one of them, what have you, and see the older ones that were any available. I'm going to open, let's see, coming out, so this will open this first. So you can see on the inside lots of bubbles and die sets, and this slid out. So it looks like we have a stamp set, die set, an embossing folder, and then some extras. So looks like a bubbly theme here. So you can see the embossing folder. It's got lots of bubbles. Great for spring too, you know, maybe when people are going outside blowing bubbles and things or what have you, but baby showers, whatever. If you want bubbles, those are bubbles. Looks like we've got, oh, lots of drinking. Now, I don't drink. And to be honest, I don't think other people should either. But, so we'll see. I know I'm probably like one of 5 people left on Earth that doesn't drink, but I don't. So, some of this I won't be able to use. Like this sheet probably here, but it looks well done if you were going to use that. Some pretty sort of pretty papers. I mean, it did a good job. Fabulous 50. So I'll be able to use a few of these things, Age to Perfection and all of that. That's fine. And then sort of like bath suds there. Some bubbles. More bubbles. Almost looks like lace. More of the sort of vintage beers and things. Have to put root on the front of that. Let's see what else here. And then more bubbles is there. So I might do my projects. I might veer a little bit from this just because of the drinking thing. So the embossing folder, and then it looks like we have the die set and stamp set. So let's get that out. Let's show the stamp set first. So I've got a bath, like relaxing time. I have a bubbly day. So it's kind of a bath themed and the drinking theme. I guess I could turn that into some sparkling lemonade. I could write on there. And maybe cover this up and turn it into, I don't really drink pop either. I only drink sparkling water, as sparkling as I get. Or soda. I guess you could turn this into like a iced coffee. So I'm trying to think of some other ways I can use this. Maybe there's some of you out there that wouldn't use the drinking theme as well. But so leave your troubles in the bubbles. I'm blown away by your kindness. So some fun little things there. And then the die set probably coordinates here. Let's see. So it has the word relax. It has the word cheery. And then we have like a border, 3-piece border with these bubbles. So rubber ducky, got some concentric circles, this little girl blowing the bubbles, and then some extra little bubbles to kind of put into your card there. Like doesn't cut out on the sides. Enjoy, I think that says. All right. Sorry, I've been painting here like a mad woman. Of course, you can reuse your tissue. You've got accent glaze. Glossy accents. I wonder if that's supposed to be like glossy accents. So we'll have to test that out. A point here. So you can make your bubbles kind of 3D. I guess that's what that's supposed to be. In a little envelope are these little like bubbles. They're flat back. They're different sizes. It looks like maybe not. So it looks like they're probably all the same size, but very pretty. You could do some decorating with that. And they give you a good little handful there. And get it back in. And we've got the book, which gives you lots of ideas. I'll just show you the back there. So they've done some embossing with the stamp set. They put some of those extra little gem bubbles that I just showed you, and made a card there. So a little quick flip through. It always has a little interview with the designer. So there's that edge, some tags and things. So I'll have to have a flip through there. And then some coordinating cardstock. So that's nice teal. That's a nice color. Like a dark gray. Nice bright orangey red. Like a Kelly green. Brownish, like a umber. A light blue. A pale yellow. And like a fuchsia. So lots of fun colors, bright colors to play with there. So I'll have to think of some projects. This is probably one, I've had the boxes since the beginning, so I have them all, and for the most part I have really, there hasn't been one, with the exception of maybe one other one that hasn't been workable for me. So they're really meant to, you can really veer off and do your own thing. So I'm gonna have to kind of do that with this one, because this really doesn't, it's not really my style, and I don't drink. So but I will make it work, because there's some great product in here, and there are ways that we can think of to use these sorts of things. So I just gotta have a think and think of some cards to make with that. She's cute. Blowing the bubbles there. But anyway, so hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing. Check out the links below. This box might be right up your alley, and so I would, they're always high quality, and you can keep them in these nice folders on your shelf, and great to add to your stash with great products. Thanks guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.